Strategic moves, Jay. Strategic moves. Oh, spinning heel kick right.
You know that chessboard you were talking about?
Yes.
I think it's been turned over and flipped. Because Viva's done with chess. She's ready for combat.
It's all a part of the plan, Jake. Trust the process. Wait a second.
Trust the process. Make the Sixers thing.
Yeah.
Never been good.
Yeah.
Oh, look at Viva Van.
It wasn't good for the Sixers, but it could very well be good for Mazzerati.
Body scissors countered into
Oh, with the bridge. Beautifully done by the FSW Women's Champion and Viva Van.
Riveter breaks it up. It's a cutter.
Looking out for her sister Mazzerati. Dropping the champion like a bad habit with that nasty cutter.
Code breaker.
Taniya get to...
And that just drove all the wind out of Taniya. And Johnnie, Robbie, and Blair squaring off now.
Blair spearing the hell out of Taniya.
Into a neck breaker, and Johnnie, Robbie doesn't keep her eyes on Mazzerati. It's the Northern Lights.
Game.
With a bridge.
Game over right there. Somebody check out Taniya. She just got the soul spit out of her. Oh my God, no way.
Now look at that, both of Mazzerati's partners. Almost like
That's exactly why they were chosen to be a teammates. Mazzerati knew what she was doing.